The kitchen backsplash is the area that fills the gap between your kitchen cabinets and countertop. It's a great way to show some personality, but with so many options for you to choose from, I decided to bring you a summary of the most popular backsplashes so you can get an idea what you're getting with each one of them. The ceramic tile is the most popular option for a kitchen backsplash. The ceramic tiles are incredibly versatile. They come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, and can be installed in numerous patterns. It's simple to clean and very easy to replace as well. Although porcelain tile isn't as customizable as ceramic in terms of shape, size, color, and pattern, it can provide a look of stone, wood, or glass for less than the backsplash made from those materials. It's long-lasting, and it also doesn't crack. Glass can offer a unique backsplash thanks to the variety of shades, shapes, and designs. The reflectivity can make the room feel larger and brighter. It's quite easy to clean, and you can add resale value to your home. A handful of different types of stone tile are commonly used for kitchen backsplashes. The design of the backsplash can result in a higher cost, as can the grade of the stone, which is based on the quality of the surface, presence of pitting, and consistency of color. It has a high level of durability and will also add resale value to your home. While not an obvious choice for kitchen backsplash, wood options do exist. They're typically less expensive than most options, although they have drawbacks. It's inexpensive and versatile in appearance. Just be careful because it is combustible and prone to water damage and other appearance changes. For a sleek look, stainless steel is a great option for kitchen backsplash, largely because it's durable and easy to clean. It won't crack or stain, and it reflects light to create an inviting space. While stainless steel looks the same, a backsplash can be modified with many different design patterns, and it can include other materials such as glass. Different textures are also available, such as quilted, ribbed, or hammered. Peel and stick backsplash is part of the home decor DIY trend. This type of tile is adhesive and applied mostly as a temporary backsplash. In addition to its ease of use, peel and stick tile comes in a wide array of colors, shapes, and styles to achieve just about any look imaginable. It's a great option for renters as well because you can simply just peel it off when you're done with it. Wallpaper offers the similar benefits of peel and stick tile. It comes in many different styles, can be self-installed, and it's an inexpensive option. Adhesive wallpaper is an easy option for a kitchen backsplash. Whether hanging traditional or sticky wallpaper, you can consider protecting it with a waterproof finish. Chalkboard Paint is a great option for writing recipes and to-do lists or drawing doodles. You can simply erase and redo when inspiration strikes. While it's a highly non-traditional option, it gives the kitchen a fun way to display creativity. It's inexpensive and easy to install. There are many more options that you can look for, but these are the most popular ones. If you like this video, please leave a like and a comment below and tell me which one you like the best. And thanks for watching.